One done, one general, 1-6.
Yo, squash.
One family. One done, one general, 1-6.
G, man.
Yo, Salt Spring. One family. One done, one general, 1-6.
Yo, squash.
One family. One done, one general, 1-6.
G, man.
Yeah, a one family.
Guys, okay, I'm gonna make some grilled cheese for breakfast. I want to take you guys along. So this is gonna be the start of the vlog. So let's get it. First, we gotta get the cheese. So first, let's get this cheese. Let's get it. Go put it down on the counter. We'll go back and close the fridge real quick. Close this. Okay, so we got the cheese right here. Let's bring it over to the close by to the oven. Right there. This bread. So we got the bread right here. Let's pop this bad boy up. The cheese right here. All we gotta do is cut it. So yeah, I have to use a real knife. We got the first one. Put it in the oven. Get the second one. Put it in the oven next to the first one. Ooh, okay. And let's close this. First of all, let's move this out the way. Turn on the light, and yeah. We'll be waiting to see what it turns out to be. So yeah. My first try was a fail. So yeah, we're doing low this time. We gotta get it. I want to spread the cheese more. So let's try and do that. The way they're shaped. Like, look at that. That looks like an egg yolk. Oh, it's not that hot. Go over there. Some granola bars, she's eating it right now, and some strawberries. So when she's finished with all of those, I can give you strawberries. Say hi. Say hi. Guys, we got locked out, right? 24 hours. Well, not for 24 hours, but we got locked out. All the doors are locked. We were just outside playing. Only the garage was open. Now the garage is closed because I forgot to open the back door. So yeah, we're stuck out here. We're just playing some football. My shoes is grassy like that. Anyways, so yeah, we're gonna play hide and seek. I'm gonna be the seeker and the camera holder and everything. So yeah, you wanna hide first, or do you want me to hide first?
Hide first, bro.
Okay, I'm hiding first. I'm always gonna count. Turn around and count.
Okay.
Of course, I gotta go up that hill. I have nowhere else to go. He's going around the other side. I'm not dumb. I'm high. Oh, never mind. Never mind. I am dumb. I'm gonna go in that junk if I have to. Next time, I'm going in Daddy's junk. He's right there. He gave up. Do you want me to count? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 30. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I don't think he's anywhere up there. Oh! Oh! You shouldn't have done that. I didn't know you were up there, boy. Oh, you would have want. Oh, you can't go over there. I want it. Ew, look at that water. Got you. How to get, count. So, go down and count. Wait, don't go. He passed me. Wait, he passed me. Grab, count. But he didn't find me. I'm gonna go look for him. I don't want to give up my spot, so I can outrun him and come back here. I'm gonna go look for him again. Okay, God. He got me. We didn't get it right.
We're gonna die up here. Right?
Gummo's gonna try alert daddy or something. Got little daddy. He's about to open the garage. Let's see our way to freedom. Let's see. Woo! Let's go. Go, but I don't know. He did. He probably went back inside. But let's go. I was over here laughing because I took off my pants. And let me show you what's under my pants. Yep. Shorts. And then I took off my shorts and guess what?
What?
Another shorts. Let's wash our hands. Alright, so let's wash our hands. Get them soap. Get the soap. Get the soap.
Ouch. Sorry,
Move
guys.
over.
What up, good people? Hope you got the barbershop going on. How y'all doing on this great Wednesday? This is what we doing. Got the little barbershop / workshop going on. And I took over my little mini salon area.
Hi, guys.
I'll be real serious. Nice cut, Hubs. Where you learn to cut like that? Tell the people where you learn to cut like that, Sheldon.
I can't suck in my belly and talk at the same time.
Oh, Lord Jesus. Hilarious. All right. So, I see you. You want them clippers. You real serious about that thing. Where you learn to cut like that?
Well, you know, show me some money and I know how to do anything.
Ooh.
A boy used to cut back in high school. Classmates, schoolmates, come in the garage and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Just do a thing, you know. But I ain't like super good right now. But I'm good enough to give the boys a haircut.
Yeah, that's looking real good.
I'm sure in a couple of years they ain't gonna want me to touch their hair.
You think so?
Yeah, you know how it is.
Yeah, they grow up and they think they grown. They don't, you know, care about parents like that no more. Cause they 18 now or they 16 and they got a little job at McDonald's. Right, Stephen? Is that where you want to work, Stephen? McDonald's? For your first job? Where you want to work for your first job?
McDonald's.
My first job is probably gonna be an actor.
Your first job, you're going to be an actor. Okay, I like that. You got dreams and aspirations. I like that. You can do it. But how are you going to get that started?
Classes.
You going to, what kind of classes? Walk me through it.
Acting classes.
Okay. And then?
And maybe I can audition for a movie. I'm probably getting to a movie. When I'm like 17 or something.
Okay. All right. Oh, haircut is done. And he got the little tissue around the neck. Okay, all professional and stuff. Pinnock, you professional.
You know, you showed me where these things, the capes are, because
Of course he would know. You know Stephen be knowing everything, honey.
I was cleaning up the garage outside.
Oh, when you cleaned up. Okay. You did a good job, by the way.
Oh, seriously?
Make sure y'all sweep up all this hair.
rise and shine and give God the glory.
All right. Haircut looking good. Come closer so we can see that haircut. All right. Good job. Looking good. Good job, husband.
Thank you.
Okay, so it's little man's turn.
You on the booster?
Yeah. Yeah.
Good Lord.
You good, Aamour? You ready? You not afraid?
You are not afraid. I'ma brush your hair.
Oh Lord, he's starting to sing.
You taught Aamour how to throw. Aamour didn't know how to throw.
I know, but I taught him how to throw like far,
Oh yeah?
like to throw it by the lines, you know?
Got a little mini something in here. You know, I need to shampoo my hair. Family come to visit, they need to get their hair done. You know what I'm saying?
Mom stole my slippers.
Mom stole her slippers back from you? These kids, they think, what, really? They be thinking that they own everything you got. What's up with that? You can't have nothing. They want, down to your flip-flops. They want it because it's comfortable. You know what I'm saying? Boy, I tell you. All right, back to hubby. So you combing down the hair. So tell us why you combing the hair like that. What does it do?
I don't know. I just see them do it at a barbershop.
I know what it does. It makes the person's hair softer. So when you comb it, it doesn't get stuck. The blades. It messes up the hair.
So it makes it more manageable?
Yes.
When it's time to cut it? Okay. So what are you gonna do first? Can you walk us through the cut?
No.
Why not?
This ain't a tutorial.
It's not a tutorial, but I just want to know.
This is me giving the boys a haircut inside of the man cave.
Okay, so first you make a line going around, right?
You didn't hear that.
I did, but I ignored it. So you're carving out where
Are you trying to learn?
Yeah, I'm trying to learn this thing. I don't do men's cut.
Oh yeah?
Right.
What kind of cut you do?
Women's. I mean, I don't use the clippers is what I said, like that. So I'm not like skillachi like that on the clippers, you see?
Yeah.
Okay, so you carve out that. So you know. You check the mail today? Okay. Sounds like somebody needs to do their chores, huh? Okay, hubby is getting it in. Wow, you move fast. Aamour is sitting real good. Can you pump the chair up a little?
Oh,
See if you can pump it up a little bit, because you bending, it's gonna hurt your back. Chair up. A little something.
Should need some hydraulics. Huh? Hydraulics? It's like an air pump. Yeah, what is that?
Stephen's bike.
Like a air pump that lift things. So you ever see a car jumping? It's the hydraulic pump that's in it.
Hubby is getting it down. Look at that cut. That's nice already. Look at that. You got skills, man.
I mean, a UFO person should know that a brother got skills, you know?
Really? Yeah, you're funny. Right, you are doing so good. I'm so proud of you. You're growing up on me.
Big boy.
Big boy getting his hair cut, not flinching. Just sitting there getting that cut going. Yes. Good job, guys. So he want to know if he almost done. How many more minutes he got? Is that right, Bud? You want to know how many more minutes you have?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I just do that. I'm just doing that. If one is I'm just doing that because if he's still going.
2 hours later.
What you could do
What you say, Aamour? What happened?
It's the same ad.
The same ad? What's wrong with the ad?
It's because the ads are still going and it keeps on
Repeating?
Yeah.
Oh, so they keep playing it over and over? You don't like that? Why not?
Because you already seen it, right?
Yeah, and it's not that annoying if you're on Nickelodeon, because just
Nickelodeon?
yeah, because just in a little bit of minutes, then it just comes on, and then it does the same thing over and over again.
They do the same thing on CNN that they do on Nickelodeon.
Oh, so he's saying they do the same thing on CNN that they do on Nickelodeon.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
They keep on going on to the thing and then just do it.
Gotcha. And you don't like that at all? Because it just messes up what you're trying to watch, right? Okay, I got it.
That's why I wish ads wasn't real.
You wish the ads weren't real? Okay, so what would you have preferred? Play it right through?
Yeah, but it's just on YouTube.
That thing coming in your ear again.
He got dry scalp. That's all. He got dry scalp. You want to know if he's still going?
Yeah.
You don't hear the
0 seconds.
You don't hear the tools going in your hair?
Yeah.
That means he's still going.
But I'm talking about like when it's 0 seconds. I'm saying if it's still going.
Oh, okay.
It's 0 seconds.
Well, he's still going, buddy. But he's almost there, and it's looking real good. Okay.
Okay.
And you're doing a good job. High five. Good job. This one on his hoverboard and pushing his sister.
When it's right here, when that goes to right here, because maybe it will like go right on my skin.
You feel like it's gonna go on your skin?
Yeah.
It's not gonna go on your
Look
skin.
at that.
Daddy do it all the
Look at
time.
that. Look at daddy. Look at daddy. Look at daddy. Looking at daddy.
Don't flinch. You all right?
When all this
You got
is over
this.
and the world starts finding its way back, will you be the same person you were before it began? Or will you be someone different? Will you care more about your health, your body, your
You
mind?
feel it on your skin? It's probably on it a little bit, but it's okay. You getting that line right in front. You gonna be dope, 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 dope.
Look at the person.
Guaranteed.
Yeah. That
All
was
from the
in
comfort
the
of home.
ad.
Steady, steady.
The ad.
How can a person swim that far? Who you talking about?
The ad.
Oh, because they're professional. They're trained.
With the SunTrust checking account, you can bank virtually wherever.
He's real serious about this thing. He is not playing.
Use our mobile app to pay your bills,
All right,
deposit
buddy.
checks, and then get back on your way.
Good
In 2
job.
days,
You
it will
look good.
It will look good in 2 days.
2 days.
It look good
Yeah,
now.
when it starts to grow.
How you feel about your haircut, Aamour?
Feels good.
Can you tell me how to get to I-70, please?
And it looks good.
One done, one general, 1-6. Yo, squash. One family. One done, one general, 1-6. G man. Yo, Salt Spring, money time, yeah, we done luck badness. Know that. Yo, we just pop NEC and bun 100 hard spliff. G6. Yeah, a one family. Make money and share with them no ball loyal. A one general. 6 out here, we no fear.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. Remember to
Subscribe.
comment
And share. Bye.
Piggy out.
I'm a brand